how to change the default SMS messaging receiving app on your Nothing phone with Android 15. To find these settings, go ahead and use the quick access. Pull it down twice until you see the setting toggle right here, this one here. So go ahead and tap on that one time. And once you're here now, you'll want to go down to where it says apps right there. As you enter into apps, you'll see different app options, and you want to go to where it says default apps. Once here, you'll look for SMS app. And as you go down a little bit, you'll see it. And from here now, you're going to see different SMS options to choose from. Now for you, you probably might just have only one, which is the Google Messages app, which is that one up here. But if you want some more, you can always go to Play Store and get the free ones that are compatible. Once you install them, and if they are compatible with your phone, you'll be able to choose another one. And that's how you would go about making changes to this setting here. Like and sub.